How to fix YouTube lagging on PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can fix your YouTube lagging on PC. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So one of the reasons why you are experiencing lagging nowadays is because YouTube has started labeling up your anti-adblock program within this year from this year starting. So you just need to remove your extension. So for that, simply tap on manage extension, and here you can see I have the extension on my browser. So I'm just gonna simply tap on remove. You may also simply tap on remove and remove it from your extensions list. If you have any other similar ad blocker or anything, you may just simply remove it. After that, get back to YouTube and you should be able to see that your issue has been fixed instantly on your YouTube. So therefore, just follow this method. You remove any extension if it is available on your YouTube, and you should be able to fix your issue of your YouTube lagging. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.